Hello mga loves! Kumusta? I hope you're all doing well. I'm so excited to announce that on January 8, 2025, I'm going to launch our new program, Dear Inday Love. So it's an advice giving program that we will have here on Facebook. So you can send me your letters, whether you want to be declared or not, anonymous lang, pwede ra jud kaayo. And I will do my best to give you an enlightened advice, a different perspective, so you can make better choices in life. My purpose is to be able to empower and inspire people, as many as I can, here in the virtual world para mas makatabang ta and we can be of more service. So I hope to see you then, and I'm so excited because na natay first letter sender. So ikaw na ba ang sunod? Pwede. See you.